Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a watermark from an image, super easily and completely online. So, let's say you've got a nice photo, but there's this annoying watermark on it, and you want to get rid of it to make your image look clean and professional. All you have to do is click the link in the description below or open any browser, and type and then press on enter. Once you're there, just upload your image, and the site will automatically remove the watermark for you. It's that simple. Let me show you how it works. Here's the image I want to use. As you can see, there's a watermark right here. Now I'll close this, and drag and drop the image onto the website. Once you do that, you can see that the watermark has been removed. To save it, simply click Download Image, and it'll be downloaded to your computer. When you open it, you'll see no watermark at all. And that's it. That's how you can quickly and easily remove watermarks from your images online. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tutorials like this.